This look is executed, okay? I'm a mouse, duh. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I welcome you. My name is Shiana. I create all different types of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. So if that interests you, make sure to hit that big red button down below. Subscribe, join the fam. For today's video, I am showing you how I did this super cute and easy makeup look recreation of Karen's I'm a Mouse Halloween costume. So if you are interested in that, then just keep on watching. I am sure you are going to love this tutorial. It's super easy, super quick, and of course, who doesn't love the mean girls? So if this video interests you, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a Halloween makeup look. I decided that I want to use the blonde wig that I just bought. If you haven't seen that one, go click on the video prior before this one and I'll tag it in this video. But I'm going to be using that to do a Mean Girls makeup look. I was going to do Regina, but I just felt like Regina's so overplayed in Halloween. So I was like, let me do Karen, because nobody really talks about Karen. She's just a goofball. I'm gonna pull up my reference photo. I'm doing the Halloween look that she did, which was a mouse, but I'm just doing like the face beat and everything with the outfit. This is the one that I'm gonna do. I literally already have the lingerie and everything, so this is perfect. And I bought mouse ears on Amazon because I was like, you know what, let me just go all the way and we gonna buy some mouse ears. So that's the look that we're gonna do. It's a super simple glam look, but I just kind of wanted to do a Halloween get ready with me. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna start by prepping my skin. I'm gonna use this NYX Bear With Me setting. It's like prep spray. It's a setting spray and a prep spray. I haven't put any skincare on since earlier, so I'm just gonna use this to kind of refresh my skin. Her makeup is pretty simple. It's just like heavy liner, soft glam eyeshadow with blush, because she's a mouse and her lips are red, but y'all know I hate red lipstick. So this is gonna be a little tedious. I'm going with my primer. This is from Milk. It's the Hydro Grip, and I just pump a little bit into my hands. I bought a new one of these, but for the life of me, I have no idea where it went. And I know it's somewhere around here. I just don't feel like looking for it. But I just take a little bit of this and rub it all into my skin. This gives me like a very smooth, even base. I like to take eyelash glue now and put it into my eyebrows if I'm going to do like a lighter brow color, because I don't want my brows to like, does that make sense? I hope I'm making sense. But I just use a little bit because this stuff is glue. I normally use the brow freeze from Anastasia, but it doesn't really hold. Like, it holds for a little bit, but it don't hold after. Oh, perfect. It did exactly what I needed to do.